Hi guys! The summer has come and the seasons of corn has come. The corn that I want to introduce to you is 초당옥수수, meaning that extraordinarily sweet corn. Once I bite the raw corn, I was very surprised that it is very juicy and sweet. So today I'm gonna make a street cuisine using this corn. Fried corn with Chinese yam, corn cheese, and addictive corn bar. So if you're ready, let's get started. After removing the skin of corn, you should take the corn out using a knife. And I'm gonna slice the Chinese yam. It is very slippery when you take the skin off. And that's why there is a clear likes and dislikes. However, it goes perfect with the corn. And then I'm gonna add a corn, Chinese yam, flour, cornstarch, and water. And mix them all together until everything's combined. When batter is done, plunge them inside a hot oil. Fry them for 2 minutes in a medium-high heat. While we are waiting for our fried corns to be done, let me tell you something. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. You learn a lot about Korean food recipes and Korean culture. Place them on a paper towel so that all the oils could be removed from it. When they're done, sprinkle a pinch of salt and take a bite. It is very crunchy and fried corn is bursting inside my mouth. The next recipe that I'm gonna show you is addictive corn bar. In Korean, it is called 마약옥수수. Actually, it is very simple, so I don't think this could be called as a recipe. Steam the corn for 10 minutes and cut them into half. Poke a stick inside the corn and grill them with the butter. I brushed the melted butter on a corn and scorch them using a microtorch. You can skip this process if you want. And lastly, sprinkle Parmesan cheese powder, paprika powder, and parsley. If you don't have a paprika powder, you can just use a Korean chili powder, which is called gochugaru. When you have a bite, you'll be very much surprised. It brings corn to another level. Last but not least, I'll show you how to make a corn cheese. Slice corn, red paprika, onion, and crab meat. Actually, you can use whatever vegetables you have inside the fridge. Put everything inside a bowl with mozzarella cheese, mayonnaise, and condensed milk. If you want more mayonnaise inside the corn cheese, then you can add extra spoons of it. And mix them all together until everything's combined. And then butter the preheated pan. I used a skillet made of cast iron. If you don't have a skillet like this, you should use the regular one with a lid on it. Place them on a buttered skillet. I love the sizzling sound when I make a corn cheese. Sprinkle a good amount of mozzarella cheese and cover them with a paper foil. Leave them for 4 minutes and 30 seconds in a medium heat. When cheese is melted out, remove the paper foil and sprinkle a parsley on it. If you have an oven, you don't have to do this. You can just pop them inside an oven and wait until cheese is melted out. Wow, look at this! It is amazing! I also made this as a family dinner and my whole family loved it. Hope you make this at home and share this with your family and friends. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you next time. Bye bye!